Hey, what's going on, guys and gals? This is going to be a real short video, and I'm going to explain to you everything you need to know about hooking up your router between your computer and your mixer. The first thing we want to look at here is the ports. Now, this is a Waves router that goes inside of a rack that would go up on stage. It's a professional router. The things that we want to look at are the WAN port here, WAN, and the LAN port here, LAN. As you can see over here, you have WAN, which goes to the internet. You have LAN 1, LAN 2, and LAN 3. And then you've got some other connections over here that really have nothing to do with you whatsoever. Let's look at the homeowner version of this, or what most people will use with this system. This is what most people are used to seeing. Again, this yellow port, that is the WAN port. We do not use the WAN port. What we're going to use are these 4 ports right here. These are all LAN ports, LAN. Now, it's a very simple connection. This is on the back of the rack here. You have the Ethernet remote. This is the port that you want to do. You're going to use a Cat5 cable. You're going to plug it in here and you're going to plug it in there. Over here, the only other port you could plug this into, and a lot of people do this by mistake, is over here on the alternate. This is your personal monitoring. This is for the Behringer P16s and the new 48 system they came out with. Now, this is going to sum everything up, guys. Now you can connect your wireless devices to your mixer as well as X32 Edit. And I'm talking about programs like X32 Mix, Mixing Station Pro, MXQ that people use so they can set their own inner monitors up. Here in this layout, we have our front of house laptop. It's coming out, going into the LAN port. It's over here at the bottom of the mixer. It's coming out here, going into a LAN port. And this LAN port right here could very well go over and feed a second laptop that maybe is just running the monitor mix. That's it. That's all you need to know about hooking up your router to your mixer and your computer.